All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Chevy Camaro. It is the RS convertible model. It's beautiful grayish blue with black cloth interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, fog lights, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood does have a little dent right there. No paint off, but it is there. So you just put a smudge mark on there with my finger. Your fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Check out your tire thread. Just under 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Does have a little ding in here. Some paint off. The quarter does have a dent here. No paint off, about 2 inches. It's got a heavy scratch here. Say 10 or more, just engulf it all. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. Little curbing here and there. Say 10 or more to engulf it all. Your tire thread is just above 430 seconds. Let me double check that. Yeah, it just had 530 seconds. Did I say this had no curbing? It does have some curbing right here. And some over here. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf that. Alright. Here is your, got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Likewise on your rear, on your passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. This seat is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Oof, sounds bad. So of course, your does come with 1 key fob combo, and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Get your AM, FM, CD player, on and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. You got your AC controls right down below. You got steering wheel controls on this side, as well as this side. Boom. With your, excuse me, with the paddle shifting, which is pretty cool on both sides. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see, it does have tire pressure light on and airbag light, and there's your mileage of 27,089. Very nice. Keeping it moving. Put up the trunk. Coming around. A little dinghy there as well. So yeah, I should actually say this quarter here, it looks like it's been painted, and I would say it's a substandard paintwork here on this side. All right, rear bumper looks pretty good. Does have a stress cracking here. It's about 3 inches right there. A little stress. Deck, it looks pretty good. Here's your rear trunk space. Boom. These things do tap out, and then over there you would have more space. Actually, check out pictures for more details. I did it with that thing off. Does have a rear spoiler. Looks great. This quarter here looks pretty good. This has some scuffing here to here. 3, 6, about 6, 7 inches there. And then a little heavy scratch here, about 2 inches. A little chippy there on the rear bumper. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing. I'll say 10 or more to engulf all these little chip marks. Check out your tire thread. Just at 630 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Just locked it on accident. This door looks pretty good. Here's the your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Likewise on your back seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. This fender here looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Front passenger rim does have some curbing. I'll say 10 or more. And your tire thread here is just under 730 seconds. Lights are working, car is running, things are beautiful. Folks, once again, this is a beautiful 2017 Chevy Camaro RS model with 27,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.